In this tutorial, you'll design a modern filter control panel using Photoshop custom shapes, the kind of layout commonly seen in advanced apps and dashboards. Begin by opening Photoshop and creating a wide canvas with enough space for controls. Select the custom shape tool and draw a large rounded rectangle to form the main panel background, then set its fill color to a soft neutral shade. Now add smaller rounded rectangle shapes inside the panel to represent individual filter options. Place them evenly with consistent spacing. Next, use circle shapes as toggle indicators inside each filter row, highlighting active filters by changing their color. Add filter names using the Type tool, keeping the font minimal and clean. To make the panel feel real, duplicate the main panel, place it behind, darken it slightly, and apply a gentle blur for depth.